In this video, we're going to talk about XLM. Stellar, which is a cryptocurrency that has been growing a lot, is the number one here on the channel. A lot of people like XLM. We always get messages asking us to make more videos about XLM Stellar. But before we get into XLM Stellar, let's take a look at how the crypto market is doing this month. MIX is already up 731%, M468 as well. There's a video here on the channel talking about these cryptocurrencies. When you look at longer periods, there are a lot of coins going up, like Pesce with 1,500%. Okay, with 350 rooms and 21,000%, there are a lot of coins going up, but let's get into XLM, which is what really matters here on the channel. XLM is currently ranked number 15 among the major cryptocurrencies, having climbed 20 positions this month. It has a market capitalization of $11 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $231 million. Without a doubt, it's a very interesting cryptocurrency. Notice that it's already well established with $11 billion in market cap and $231 million in 24-hour volume. Currently, it's worth 36 cents of a dollar, and if you look at longer periods, it's already up 269% this year. This month, it had a slight drop of 4.8% and the same for the week, all of which was driven by the big drop that Bitcoin experienced in recent months, in recent days. And for the week, it's showing a 6.7% drop. Today, it's trying to recover up 2.4%, but it's been moving sideways over the last hour. Let's analyze a bit more on CoinMarketCap and see if it's worth it or not to have XLM in your portfolio. I'm here on the CoinMarketCap website, and you can see that I'm looking at the entire history of XLM. Back in 2015, it was worth less than 1 cent of a dollar. Then it had its first big surge in 2018, and after that, it dropped because of everything that happened in 2020 and 2021. After that period of panic we had with the pandemic, it surged again, reaching its all-time high, then pulled back, moved sideways, and now it's in its third major upward move in history. Without a doubt, this is a very interesting moment for investors. When you look at the community, 85% believe it will go up, 15% think otherwise, and there are still a lot of people who believe that XLM could indeed be an excellent opportunity. When you look at all the exchanges here, you can see that a lot of people are trading XLM and overall confidence in XLM is high. When you come here to look at its entire price history, which is what's important for investors, let's pull up the data from the past year. In the past year, its lowest price was 8 cents of a dollar and its highest price was 63 cents of a dollar. In other words, the person who bought at 8 cents and sold at 63 cents within a year got very rich. Notice that throughout its entire history, its highest price was 93 cents. Currently, it's 61% below its all-time high, and it has already increased by 29,000% since its lowest price, which was 1,000th of a cent of a dollar. Here, without a doubt, 29,000%, the person who saw the opportunity and bought 11 years ago when the price was really low is now profiting, and profiting a lot, right? As for XLM, I won't go too deep into its technical aspects because XLM is already well known here on the channel, but when you look at the exchanges, there are a lot of exchanges offering yield. When an exchange offers yield, it's because it believes in the cryptocurrency, and that's pretty interesting, right? And when you look at the distribution, allocation, and all the tokens, you can see it's very well distributed, with 49% in its incentive ecosystem, right? All the XLM is already unlocked, meaning there won't be any more tokens entering the market to push the price down. Now it's just investors accumulating and waiting for the long term. There's a bit about the distribution here and talking a bit about XLM. That's the more technical part, okay? Now let me know in the comments if you have XLM in your portfolio. Leave your like, leave your comment. I left a link in the first pinned comment so you can open an account at crypto.com, which is the exchange I use and recommend here on the channel. You can earn up to $30 and so can I. Let me know in the comments if you already knew about XLM. I have several videos here on the channel talking about it. Take care and see you next time.